Hi, I'm Paul Henegar, and this is my wife Maretta Henegar, and we decided to start the Tikiz franchise because it gives us flexibility in making our schedule and our hours that we work, and it fulfills a lifelong dream of owning your own business. Well, we just did some research as far as businesses you could run from your home, and Tiki's kept popping up, and we made the call. And after the first call, we knew Tiki's was the fit for us, that we wanted to be a part of the Tiki's family. During training, Brian, Danny, Rashad, just wonderful people, just couldn't be more accommodating to us. And any questions that we had, they made ourselves available to us at any time, and just look forward to growing and having the opportunity to uh, be a Tiki's owner.